The piano is a universal instrument, so a great piano part will give your song a timeless feel. And in this video, you'll learn how to write a beautiful piano chord progression and melody, which will stand the test of time. But first, tea!
Revolutionary music makers, I'm Kate Harmony, this is Ray Harmony, and welcome to Hack Music Theory.
This channel helps you make great music that stands out so you can move and grow your audience.
And if you're new to our channel, we've got a free book for you, 12 music theory hacks to learn scales and chords, which you can download from the link below.
Alright, it's time to open your door to Hack Music Theory. The Theory.
London rapper Dave just dropped his new single Black, which is a goosebump-inducing song with one of the most sophisticated piano parts we've heard in the New Music Friday playlist in a very long time. What makes the piano part so good? Well, a couple of things. Firstly, the chord progression lasts for an epic 16 bars. This is extremely rare in today's music, which usually consists of 4-bar loops. Secondly, the chord progression switches back and forth between the natural minor and the harmonic minor. This creates a classical flavor to the piano part, as the harmonic minor is the quintessential classical scale. And it's this classical vibe that adds a timeless feel and a musical weight to the song, which in turn makes Dave's important lyrics even more powerful. The hack.
Alright, now you're going to learn how to use this theory to make your own version, and what you see on the screen right now is our version that we made earlier. So start by setting up 16 bars, yes 16 bars, of 4/4 with your grid set to 8th notes and your tempo set to 84 BPM. Dave's song is in the key of D minor, so we'll use it too.
Step 1. Left hand, the chords.
Alright, we're going to start with the left hand part, which will simply play octaves of each chord's root note. These octaves provide a minimal harmonic backdrop, which creates a more delicate sound than full chords. So first things first, here's the menu of chords in D minor that you can choose from.
D minor, E diminished, F major, G minor, A minor, or A major, B flat major, C major, and C sharp diminished.
And please note that A major and C sharp diminished chords are from the harmonic minor. Now choose whichever chords you like from the D minor menu, but approach your 16 bars as 4-bar chord progressions, and start each 4-bar progression with the root chord D minor, except for the last progression, which you want to start with one of the major chords in the key to provide an uplifting vibe to the end of your epic 16 bars.
Lastly, the C major to C sharp diminished movement has a magnetic pull to the D minor, so definitely use that progression somewhere.
Step 2, right hand, the melody.
Right, it's right hand time, and that means melody.
So using 8th notes, come up with a motif, which is a short musical idea, over the D minor chord, and base your motif around the 2nd note, because it's a beautiful interval, and the 3rd note, because it's a deeply emotional interval. So over D minor, the 2nd note is E, D, E, and the 3rd note is F, D, E, F. Then, once you've got your motif, you can reuse it over the other chords, obviously basing it around each chord's 2nd and 3rd note. Next, tie them all together with some other notes, and be sure to use some arpeggios too, which is when you play a chord one note at a time. Also, throw in a few melodic variations to keep things fresh.
Lastly, if you want a beautiful intro like in Dave's song, then use this bonus hack.
Set up 4 bars for your intro. Now, start on the root chord D minor and play it for 2 bars. Then go to another chord and play it for 2 bars as well. You see, by playing each chord for 2 bars instead of 1 bar or less like in your verse, the harmony in your intro will move at half the speed.
This is so powerful, because when your verse kicks in, the harmony starts moving at double the speed, which makes everything feel like it's totally ramping up.
Okay, so now that you've got an intro and a verse, how do you write a chorus and a bridge? And then, how do you transition between all the sections, especially if they're in different keys? And then, how do you structure and arrange your song? Well, all songwriters and producers struggle with these issues in the beginning, and that's exactly why we made our online apprenticeship course. So if you want to overcome these obstacles once and for all, then our course is definitely definitely for you. The link is below.
Alright, now let's have a listen to our beautiful and timeless piano part. But just before the final playthrough, if there's an artist you'd like us to hack, let us know in the comments below.
And remember, if you want to get the multi-track MIDI file from this lesson so you can check out all the other tracks in our final example, which includes a beautiful string section in 3-part counterpoint, then download our lesson pack, the link is below. You'll also get a PDF guide and a WAV mix of the final music. In the meantime though, if you want to keep learning how to make great piano music that stands out, then we've got a video on that coming next. Just click when it pops up in a few seconds and we'll meet you there.